Have you ever wondered why apples don't fly? It's a question that's enough to make anyone scratch their head. The answer lies in an invisible force that's all around us, yet often overlooked: gravity. Picture an apple falling from a tree. It doesn't float away or hang in midair. Instead, it takes a nosedive straight to the ground, courtesy of gravity. This unseen force plays a pivotal role in our universe, ensuring that what goes up must come down. Think of gravity as the invisible glue that holds the universe together. Without it, there would be no planets, stars, or galaxies. It's a force that pulls everything towards everything else. It's why when you drop an apple, it falls to the ground. Not because the Earth is special, but because the apple and the Earth are pulling on each other. Let's take a moment to imagine our universe without gravity. Planets would not orbit the sun, they'd simply drift aimlessly in space. Picture marbles swirling around a bowl. That's how our planets dance around the sun, kept in check by gravity's invisible strings. Stars, too, owe their existence to gravity. It's the force that compresses clouds of gas and dust, igniting them into glowing spheres of light. Without gravity, there would be no stars to light up the night sky, no sun to warm our planet. And what about galaxies? These vast collections of stars, planets, and other cosmic material are also bound together by gravity. Think of a galaxy as a cosmic whirlpool, with gravity acting as the centripetal force that keeps everything from spinning out into the void. Gravity, the invisible glue, not only shapes our universe but also maintains its harmony and balance. It's a fundamental force that is essential for the existence of life as we know it. Without gravity, there would be no order in the cosmos, only chaos. Gravity plays a pivotal role in our everyday lives, more than you may realize. It's the unseen, unsung hero of our existence, quietly operating in the background, making life as we know it possible. Gravity, this force of attraction, is the reason we don't float off into space. It anchors us to Earth, keeps our feet firmly on the ground. Consider the atmosphere, that blanket of gases enveloping our planet. Without gravity, it would simply drift away into the cosmos, leaving Earth barren and lifeless. But gravity holds it close, providing us with the air we breathe, protecting us from the harshness of space. Now, picture the ocean's tides. They rise and fall in a rhythmic dance, guided by the gravitational pull of the moon and the sun. This gravitational ballet influences marine life, helps regulate our climate, and even aids in navigation. And what about the simplest things? The rain falling from the sky, an apple dropping from a tree, the very act of walking. All these are governed by gravity. It's the force that pulls the rain downwards, that guides the apple on its path to the ground, and that keeps us walking without floating away. Gravity is everywhere in every moment. It's the silent puppeteer, pulling the strings of our reality, making the universe dance to its tune. Gravity, in essence, is the silent force shaping our existence. Gravity might seem simple, but it's a force with a lot of weight. Let's take a moment to recap what we've learned so far about this invisible yet all-encompassing force. Gravity, the unseen puppeteer, orchestrates the dance of celestial bodies across the cosmos. It's the reason planets revolve around stars, and why galaxies cluster together in colossal cosmic communities. It's the invisible glue that holds the universe together, preventing celestial bodies from drifting aimlessly into the void. But gravity isn't just about stars and galaxies. It's deeply embedded in our everyday lives. It's the reason we stay rooted to the ground instead of floating off into space. It's the force that determines how heavy objects are and how hard we have to work to lift them. It's why rain falls from the sky, why rivers flow to the sea, and why we can pour a cup of tea. Gravity, often taken for granted, is essential to the natural order of things. It shapes our universe, our planet, and our lives in ways we rarely stop to consider. Its influence is so profound, so omnipresent, that it's easy to forget it's there. So the next time an apple falls from a tree, remember, it's not just falling, it's obeying the law of gravity. Have you ever wondered why apples don't fly?